Hey everyone, Jim Reiser, swimlessonsuniversity.com. I'm here with my Swim 101 class, and today we're working on, I want to show you the importance of demonstrations. And we do that through a little game we call You're the Coach. And so we're gonna play You're the Coach. And your name is Coach, and you are Coach. Right? Coach Ren and
Coach Ellen.
Coach Freya.
Coach Ellen.
All right, now we're going to pretend that I'm 4 years old and my name is Jimmy and I don't know how to swim, so can you teach me? All right. So yeah, I want to learn how to swim with a pop-up breath. So will you tell me what to do? Okay.
What's that at the bottom of that? What's that
All right. Okay, coaches, tell me what to do.
Face this. 3, 4, 5, 6. Face this. Face.
My face isn't. What else do I have to do? I have to kick. That's right. And how many kicks?
5.
Yeah, we're going to say face in and then say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Face in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, ready? Tell me what to do.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How did I do? Good. And whenever I get my breath, should I keep kicking or should I stop kicking? Keep kicking. So like this? Like that? No. Yes. Oh, I didn't mean this classroom. But yes, we kick when we get our breath too, huh?
Yes.
All right, well guess what? You taught me, you were really good coaches, so now, how about I'll be the coach and it's your turn to be my swimmers. Come on in the water, sit down and slide in. If you found this video helpful, leave your thumbs up and comments below. If you're looking for a step-by-step, complete training and certification program, head over to swimlessonsuniversity.com, where we put the science back into teaching children to swim. In the meantime, if you haven't already done so, click subscribe and turn your notifications button on so you never miss a video when we put one out. And remember, no other sport skill can save a child's life. Give a child a lifetime gift. Teach him or her to swim.